morning, lovely people. Salam alaikum, namaste. How's everybody? Here I am. I'm back with another lovely clip for you all. Well, I wanted to give you some more updates. Let me just raise this camera a little bit up. Yeah, looks better. Right. I wanted to give you updates because I will be... No, before that, let me show you the house and you can guess what is happening, okay? Let's go. Right, this is my kitchen. As you can see, it's all empty. This is my dining room. As you can see, table is gone, chairs are gone. It's all empty now. I love that view. I really love that view. And there's another view here. Wow, beautiful. This is my living room. Some boxes are still left to pack. And let's go upstairs. Right, master bedroom, all empty. Second bedroom, all empty. Toilet, all empty. Little bit things are left, so obviously Shiru, that's painted by myself, by my own hands, yeah. House is empty, and just to give you a clue, I am moving abroad. Yay! Aww. Where I am moving abroad, I'm not gonna tell you now, okay? If you want to know about this more, click the subscribe button now. Next to it will be bell icon. Click on it, so you will be the first one to notified where I'm moving to. At this moment, I haven't recharged my drone from a long time, so let's go and fly it in my garden. Guys, job is done. The mission is accomplished. Yay! Okay, I picked up my delivery. All done, guys. I think the owner was sitting there. I just asked him, can I have a glimpse of your cuisine restaurant, Millionaire Cuisine restaurant? He said, yeah, go ahead. Let's go and eat it, man. They're so delicious. Let's go and have a taste of it. I have a good news, but I'm not gonna tell you now because you guys have to subscribe my channel and press on that bell icon so you get to hear the news before everybody else. And also when you subscribe the channel, it really helps and support. Alright guys, I am back home and I am really starving. Gurmeet Di said she's gonna come in the evening like 7 o'clock, and time now is like 3:40, and trust me guys, I can't wait till evening 7 o'clock. I'm gonna start eating it now, and don't worry, I'll leave some for Gurmeet Didi, don't worry, and Linda as well. So let's open the packet. ये देखो फिर आ गया मेरे पास। ओ यार, मुझे तंग करने के लिए आ गया मेरे सर के ऊपर। ये देखो जी, मेरा शेरू छोटा सा। शेरू, आपको नुन्नू आ रही है क्या? पापड़ी चाट खाने आए हो मेरे पास, हैं जी? पापड़ी चाट खाने आया था। इसकी शेरू की मूछे देखो। ओ माय गॉड, लुक एट शेरूज मुस्टैच। ओह वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल शेरू। कितनी पाली आपकी मूछे हैं, है ना शेरू? ताव दिया करो थोड़ी मूछों को, ताव दे दो, ताव। Anyways, I need to have my food, my samosa chaat, my papri chaat. Let me eat, man. Let me eat. Yeah, and I hope to see you soon again. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.